next one, on seeing a friend. In previous times, a person saw a close friend whom he had not seen in over 30 days. He would recite Shehecheyanu of seeing the friend, and now bringing him great joy. However, the Poskim write that today this is no longer in practice. One understanding is that with the modern technology, it is assumed that if the friend were no longer alive, it would have become public knowledge. Thus, seeing him now does not engender the degree of joy that warrants Shehecheyanu. So in olden days, of course, you could have write a letter to another town and see if how your friend or a family member is doing. So but it would take very long time, and people did not see each other. And even if somebody would pass away, so unless somebody is traveling from that place to this place, and they would tell you that somebody passed away, so you would not know. So, 30 days, it's a considerable period of time. So, after that, if you see a friend, you say Shehecheyanu. Today, some people say still Shehecheyanu, but without, of course, Hashem's name, and mention that He's a King of the universe. But it sounds, I would say, every time I heard it, a more jokingly way. So, we haven't not seen you for a long time. Where were you? But today, since we have, as the author is saying, since you have a lot of technology, you can call people, or if somebody, God forbid, passes away, so they send massive text, phone text, or email, massive emails. Everybody would know right away. So in this case, you know that even though you did not hear from this person for 30 days, but you know that he or she is okay. Okay, so there is no real worries. Okay. Next one. If two people have never seen each other, but have built a relationship through correspondence, they do not recite Shehecheyanu when seeing each other for the first time, since there cannot be enough joy to warrant this blessing. So it's brought from Shulchan Aruch. I just checked. It's very interesting. So in olden days, people would correspond. For example, they would send questions to rabbi, or just correspond. Even relatives, cousins, they never seen each other, but they live in different countries and different cities. Okay, now they met, so there is no Shehecheyanu because they there is no such a joy, not so much joy.